Hey guys, most of the times in our lives we are ignoring what is the biggest priority to us. Most of the people you will see are ignoring their health. Most of the people you will see are ignoring their diets. They are ending up eating anything. Most of the people, they are putting their projects at work which are very important, and they know they will have a big difference at the end, but they are not doing it because they feel it's tough. So it's that frog which we are always running away from. Something that needs to be a priority, we tend to shy away from. And most of the time it's our ego, because for health and for other things, there are our parents, our friends, people all around talking about what should be done, and we know what should be done. But because someone else is telling us this, the world is telling us this, we tend to run away and shy away from those things. We tend to make sure that we are doing the opposite of that, and that deteriorates the situation even more. It happens around us all the time. There are so many people, probably our family person, siblings, everyone tends to be doing something or the other. But in the hindsight we should just step back and try to reason out, and putting our ego aside, try to think like this is what is being said is actually for our benefit. And we should just try to clarify our mind, like what will be our future if we tend to do what is being said. It will only make us feel better, or make us more healthy, or make us more progressive. Rather than doing what we are doing, we will be nowhere in 5 years time or 10 years time. We need to think about the worst case scenarios and the best scenarios we can have while doing what needs to be done. Also, it's our ego and it's our ignorance. And ignorance, for one thing, ignorance leads us nowhere. We might ignore in the current moment, but it is us who will be having to pay for 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line. If we make the strides today, if we make ourselves 1% better every day from now onwards, we can make sure that we are in the right frame and in the right direction 5 to 10 years down the line. So just put the ego aside and start thinking positively about the things that are being said, and try to correlate the positive results which you will be getting later on in your life if you tend to do what is required right now. So thanks for watching the video.